Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a third-party email integration into the standard ClickFunnels account. This is perfect for those that are not using the Actionetics Edison platform. Before we dive in, I want to explain why you need to do this, okay? The reason why is because you can be collecting emails within ClickFunnels, but what are you doing with those emails? You have to have an email campaign in order to capitalize and make money. And so that is why you need to set up a third-party integration.
All right, guys, this is a simple two-step process. Number one, go to your ClickFunnels account, click on integrations, and as you can see here, I have a few things already. One of them is Active Campaign. That is one that I recommend to use. It is an auto email responder, very awesome, but there's others like it, like GetResponse or MailChimp or all those others. So what we're going to do to add, I'm going to show you how to add Active Campaign. So go to Add New Integration. Now it's great because ClickFunnels already has tons of integrations over here on the right side, like Facebook, Drip, Constant Contact, which is pretty sweet, all these things, MailChimp. But once again, we're going to go to Active Campaign. So I click on that. And then you have to go into, and I can't show you this because every account's going to be different, but when you sign up for an Active Campaign account or all the others, MailChimp, etc., they're going to give you an integration key, like this API key and this API URL. Once you get that, you click or create integration. Now I will show you what mine looks like. See, so that's kind of like an AP key and this URL, right? So you I always recommend also to update integration. So once that's done, then we're going to go to step 2, connect integration within your specific funnel. So within ClickFunnels, you make lots of different funnels, right? So if I go here to funnels, browse funnels, well, we need to set up an email autoresponder and collect emails using our example, our simple funnel example. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and I'm going to go to edit page. Now this is the page that we're actually receiving emails, right? So we're going to go to settings and integration on this specific page. Okay, now as you can see, it says email integration settings, autoresponder integration. Currently there's nothing connected, right? So I'm going to go to integration and I'm going to go to Active Campaign because I set it up within my other settings for my whole ClickFunnels account. So it recognizes it. Next, action, add to list, right? That's when someone signs up for this specific funnel, you want them to add them to a list that you created within Active Campaign. So I'm going to go to add to list. And then you pick the list. So let's do start funnels. So right now it is currently connected. All right, please comment if you have any questions. Give me that like and if you enjoyed the video. And please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos. And if you'd like to be notified, tip that bell icon. Thanks guys for watching. Have an awesome day.